Okay. Hold on, I have a minute.
Wait, you can't take it off.
No, I'm pulling it down.
You can't take it off. I'm not taking a picture. I'm taking a video. You do know this. Wait, hold on a second. Wait. Go walk down the hall. Walk down the hall. Now come back. What is she doing? I'm still showing this video to Chris Woods.
Oh my god.
Oh no, someone just said it. Somebody text messages.
Wait, what?
Hi.
Hi. This is hard to breathe out of.
That's it.